떡볶이를 어떻게 만들어요?
여보세요? 그냥 핸드폰 보고 있었지. 자야지 이제. 바이. 나만 왜 이러냐 진짜.
새벽 2시 폰을 열어.
안녕하세요 여러분. 오늘은 우리 동생 같이 떡볶이를 만들 거예요. 그리고 우리 한국말만 수 있어요. 네. 그래서 우리를 하자. 응? 여기서 우리 동생 인사해.
Hi.
한국말.
I.
한국말. 시작. 가. 헬로. 일어나.
But I don't know what the ingredients are.
맞아. 두 번째 할 거예요. 영원히 여기 있어. 여기 와. 소스 어떻게 말해? 빨리 해.
I can't find it.
빨리.
I can't find the soy sauce.
여기 있어. 설탕. 영원. 오, 간장. That's what it is. 간장. What is that? 이게 뭐예요? 후추 약간. A little pepper.
Hi. Today we're making tteokbokki. Ha. Cooking. So it's actually not fun. So you can't live for 1,000 seconds, and that's infinity days. Bye. Hi. I forgot. I'm gonna teleport. 3, 2, 1, stop.
한 컵? 영원, you're not even helping me. Okay. 한 컵. Okay, well, that's not 1 cup. 여기. 응. Go. So, Okay. Oh.
Go.
Okay, so 뜨거운 물 is warm water. Okay? So we need warm water. 물 뭐지? 물. 잘했어. 물. 예쁘다. 귀여워. Oh, it doesn't mean warm. It means hot. Hot water. You know? 알았지? 조금. I think this is hot. 뜨거워. 조금. 그만. 잘했어. 이렇게? 네, 니몬 물. 물 아니야? 물. 아니야. 물. 엄마 물. Break it in half. Our dog doesn't really look correct. Why does it look like dough? I don't know.
Do, re, mi.
Like this. Is this good?
Nope.
Like, I'm just gonna put that in. Okay. 우리 애기 같이 떡을 만들 거예요. 이거 뭐예요? 떡 말해. Okay, so 이렇게 떡 잘했어. 첫 번째 이렇게. 첫 번째 이렇게. 이거 만들어 끝났어. 그 다음에 떡볶이 소스 만들 거예요. 양만이 매운 basically. So 우리 여동생 같이 떡볶이를 만들 거예요. 감사합니다. 에이프런을 입어요. 이도 시아나 여기서 요리를 할 거예요. 이거 다 젤러? 알았어? So we have some 고추장, 고춧가루, sesame oil, 간장, 소금, 후주. 예쁘다. 지연이 got it? 이거 우리 떡. So yeah. 배터리를 죽어요. 고춧가루, 고추장, you know? How old are you? Oh, you have to fill the whole thing. Make sure you fill it. I don't really know. We're gonna eyeball it. We're not gonna use a recipe.
4. Oh, we got a lot of spicy stuff.
Yeah. Okay, let me see.
Let's get this really spicy.
맛있는데? 맛있는 톤? 네, 톤. 알았어. 정신? 잘했어. The ultimate Korean flavoring. 네. I actually still need more water. Let's say that around. 양파. 아기야. Oh, be careful.
Not that.
come on. 맛있어. 대박. 진짜. 맛있어. Is it done? Oh, it's not done all the way. Sian, how do you think that the tteokbokki is? 알았어. How do you think the tteokbokki is?
Yes.
It's good? 알았어. We have our first taste test contestant. Oh, might be a little not done in the middle, but other than that, go on, baby. It's not too spicy, right? No. So it's a little bit doughy. Yeah, I know. It's a bit doughy because like the sweet rice flour. I think there's something mixed with it. So. Use your opinions.
Spicy.
It is not spicy. Azara got herself a cup of milk. She thought it was spicy, I guess. The texture of the duck is not correct. I don't think it's that spicy. Gross! She's like rinsing off the sauce of the duck. Jeez. Good. My stuff kind of good. The duck is a little bit weird. It's a little bit jelly. Is it spicy?
Yeah.
It's not spicy. Mukbang. The final test. I'm gonna bring my tteokbokki to a fully Korean person. Appa! Everyone keeps saying it's spicy, but it's not. I tasted it and I ate like 500 of them. It's not spicy.
Okay. You meant to scratch?
Yeah. So okay, wait. Sorry, I forgot to explain one thing.
I would say Okay, it's not too spicy,
See?
but usually tteokbokki is like a little bit like sweet.
It is sweet.
It's not quite.
It's sweet. I tasted it. It tasted sweet. That's the only thing I tasted. Sweetness.
Did anyone say it's sweet?
No, but
It's the type of spicy where I can feel my stomach warm.
see, I ate the sauce though. Yummy.
Mm.
Go ahead.
That's gonna give me not a pleasant time in the bathroom.
Oh. You see how like what? It's sweet.
Oh, you can't see it at all.
I literally taste the sweetness.
There's no sweetness in here, boo boo.
I taste it. See, but I think this is not spicy. Regular tteokbokki is not spicy. Her tteokbokki, it's not even spicy. Make sure you comment down below your favorite type of Korean food, and if you ever had tteokbokki, and if you thought it was spicy or not. So yeah. Bye, what's up y'all? I'm Sophie. Bye. Thanks for watching. Mwah.